Alien Type 0.1 civilizations are at an early stage of development, just beginning to harness energy resources. Energy sources for Alien Type 0.1 civilizations may include geothermal energy from their planet's core. Alien civilizations might utilize solar energy by capturing radiation from their host star. Nuclear fusion could be a potential energy source for advanced alien civilizations, though likely not at the Type 0.1 stage. Aliens might harness the energy of their planet's magnetic field for power generation. Exotic forms of energy, such as zero-point energy or vacuum energy, could be utilized by advanced alien civilizations. Energy consumption patterns of Alien Type 0.1 civilizations would depend on their technological advancement and societal needs. Alien civilizations might prioritize energy efficiency to minimize waste and environmental impact. Energy-intensive processes like manufacturing and transportation would contribute to overall energy consumption for Alien Type 0.1 civilizations. Advanced alien civilizations might have developed highly efficient energy storage technologies to store surplus energy. Did you ever wonder how alien civilizations harness energy to power their advancements in technology and society? Well, get ready to dive into the intriguing world of alien energy sources in this mind-blowing sci-fi exploration. Welcome, fellow space enthusiasts, to a galactic journey where we uncover the secrets of energy acquisition in Alien Type 0.1 civilizations. As these extraterrestrial societies take their first steps towards progress, the energy sources they harness play a crucial role in their evolution. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of their power production methods and discover how they might fuel their fantastical inventions. Now let's take a closer look at the diverse range of energy sources available to these early-stage alien civilizations. From the depths of their planet's core to the vast expanse of space, their resourcefulness knows no bounds. Imagine a Type 0.1 alien civilization drawing upon the immense power stored within their planet by tapping into geothermal energy. Just like our own geothermal systems on Earth, these extraterrestrial beings harness the intense heat from their planet's core to generate electricity. The endless reservoir of geothermal energy provides a reliable and sustainable source for their growing needs. Moving outward, let's explore the fascinating concept of solar energy. By constructing colossal orbiting solar panels or utilizing vast arrays of solar collectors on their planet, Alien Type 0.1 civilizations can capture the boundless radiation emanating from their host star. As sunlight is converted into usable energy, this celestial power source propels their technological innovation. Now, let's venture into the realm of advanced alien civilizations. Although nuclear fusion remains an elusive dream for Type 0.1 beings, more advanced extraterrestrial societies could potentially unlock the boundless energy produced by this process. With the power of controlled fusion reactions, these civilizations could harness the same mechanism that fuels stars, providing an unlimited energy source to fuel their further advancements. But let's not limit ourselves to the conventional. Picture alien civilizations utilizing the very fabric of space itself. By tapping into their planet's magnetic field, these ingenious beings can generate electricity, harvesting the energy within magnetic flux. This exotic method allows them to produce power without physical contact with any materials, pushing the boundaries of traditional energy generation. Imagine even more mind-boggling possibilities such as zero-point energy and vacuum energy. Advanced alien civilizations might harness the theoretical energy that exists even in the emptiest regions of space. By tapping into this quantum energy, they could attain virtually limitless power to shape their worlds and expand their frontiers. As these alien civilizations advance, their energy consumption patterns evolve alongside their technological achievements. Just like us, their usage depends on their societal needs. Balancing energy abundance and sustainability, these civilizations prioritize energy efficiency. They strive to minimize waste and their environmental impact, adopting technologies that optimize power generation and consumption. Considering the varied requirements of their expanding societies, energy-intensive processes like manufacturing and transportation become essential components of their energy consumption. From constructing colossal spacefaring vessels to fabricating cutting-edge technologies, these energy-demanding activities contribute to the overall power needs of Type 0.1 civilizations. To cope with fluctuating energy demands and store surplus power, advanced alien societies develop highly efficient energy storage technologies. These systems enable them to stockpile excess energy, ensuring a constant supply for consumption during peak periods. By efficiently managing their energy reserves, these civilizations safeguard against potential shortages and enhance their overall power infrastructure. Fellow deep space enthusiasts, we hope this mind-expanding journey through alien energy sources has ignited your curiosity. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's envision together how these civilizations shape their energy landscape. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to join us on more thrilling cosmic adventures. As we conclude this eye-opening exploration, remember that energy is the lifeline of civilizations. Whether on Earth or in the far reaches of the cosmos, the quest for sustainable and efficient energy sources is universal. So, let's continue to unravel the mysteries of the universe and strive for a brighter, energy-rich future for all. Stay curious and keep reaching for the stars.